How to start investing in real estate with no money. Welcome to our video on how you can dive into the world of real estate investing without needing a large sum of money up front. If you've been dreaming about making your mark in real estate but have been held back by finances, this video is for you. First, let's explore leveraging partnerships. Partner with someone who has the capital but lacks the time or expertise you bring to the table. Your role could involve managing the property, overseeing renovations, or handling tenants. Draft a clear agreement to outline responsibilities and profit sharing. Next, consider lease options. Find motivated sellers who are willing to lease their property to you with an option to buy later. This approach allows you to start controlling properties without immediate purchase, while potentially saving up for a future buy. Wholesaling is another practical method. This involves finding properties under market value and then assigning the contract to a buyer for a fee. Your investment here is time, effort, and negotiation skills rather than money. Creative financing options like seller financing can also help. In this structure, the seller acts as the bank, letting you pay over time. This reduces the need for hefty upfront cash and allows more flexibility. Real estate crowdfunding platforms provide another entry point. By pooling funds with other investors, you can access larger investments without breaking the bank. This is ideal for those looking to invest passively with minimal risk. Finally, house hacking can be a starting strategy. Buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rental income can cover your mortgage, allowing you to grow your investment with little or no cost from your pocket. Remember, investing in real estate with no money requires creativity, diligence, and networking. Educate yourself continuously and build a strong network in the field.